Hi students, Close to You offers, as written, a C add 9 chord to a C, C add 9 to a C. But I added a passing tone, which is, on my ukulele, a low G. So let me blow this up so you can see what I'm talking about. And so here's the C add 9th. And each is 2 beats. In the introduction, it's 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats. Now, the first one, as written, C add 9th, and then I suggest you add an open G, and you only do that in the introduction. Only in the introduction. It's a passing tone. It's Richard Carpenter playing. It's probably his thumb, doing dum 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 dum. We're not going to do that. Dum 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 dum. But so very slowly, and this just takes a little bit of practice. So you do the first one straight as written. And let me add that when you start to add the thumb, watch this. I'll hit it once, and then I'll strum all 4 strings. And I'll hit it once, and then strum all of them twice. So with a metronome, now, the other part of this piece is the bridge. On the day that you were born. Now, this one is 1 finger. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So let me show you that. Well, first of all, it's C, which we know, and then C6, which, hey, no strings. And then the C major 7, which is 2nd fret on the A string. So let me do a close-up. Here we go. So it's on the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. Okay, so it's each beat and then all the frets down on the 2nd. I can put my 1st finger down and put my 2nd finger over for support. And then E7, which is 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, like this. So again, on the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. And they sprinkled in dust in your hair. Back to the introduction. And then it's a D. And so on. All right, work on that slowly. you have and then the other part. Excellent. Have fun, students.